Mfowethu, uphakela umthakathi sephinde wathola omunye umlayezo-ke oshisayo-ke laphana-ke ovela-ke kowokufika osuka endaweni yaseNigeria ezama ukukhombisa ukuthi-ke uphakela umthakathi yena akamsabi-ke nakancane-ke. Uthe okwe-location-ke angamthumelela-ke yena-ke qobo lwakhe zidibane. Angifuni ukuthi uzwe ngamnandi udaba.
Mthakathi, phakela umthakathi. Nakudwa lana, nakudwa. Lava bakunika location, someone needs to help you with a location. Kuyahlangana kuyi-30 ta June. Wena ranga unanibloka wena mani masende bokwe. Sungwenja. Wanga nanibloka kusungula sementata kunika location. And location ufana kuyikuma kamera. Location ufana kuyikuma kamera. Say why did you block me? Unblock me and then I will give you the location. Leswaku uta rhumetela vanhu se va ni sendela nya screenshot, va ni sendela nya screenshot va phakela umthakathi lava location and unblock, be a man and unblock me. And you come and tell me straight to my face ukuthi ufuna location, ukusendela location. Ngeke ukuba umfazi, ngeke ukuba icheri la. Lokuthi unblock like unblock me and I'll give you the location. Ucabanga ngakho lekudlaleni la, ucabanga ngakho lekudlaleni la. Unblock it first. Awona xin'wana xi endla wena loko boya matcha loko nga ku titwa ku na matimba hi ta hlangana xitaratini mara ranga unblock senda ku nyika location swa hi ta hlangana kwale.
Njalo-ke indaba bafuthu, njalo-ke indaba-ke le nsizwa-ke isho kanjena-ke laphana-ke isho uphakela umthakathi-ke wayiblokha ake-unblock-e mise imthumelele i-location-ke bahlangane bafuthu asidibane kwezinye.